welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome to Mau's birthday series. If you are new here, hi, my name is Manasi and I am doing this birthday series in the month of Jan because I am turning 24 on 26th of Jan. So my birthday is around the corner and I'm gonna be posting 24 videos back to back. So I'll be leaving all the links of both of my channels in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Subscribe kar lo agar nahi kiya hai abhi tak to. And in today's video I'm gonna be talking about products that I am using for a full body spa, and everything is under 500 rupees, which is very affordable in my opinion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Also, I don't have like a lot of makeup on my face today. I just have spot corrected, like concealed my under eyes, and that's how you can see my pimples and my blemishes. I have accepted my skin, and I have accepted that my skin is gonna break out for a few months. But you know, accepting yourself and your skin is really important, otherwise you're just gonna stress out and that's gonna give you more pimples. Anyways, that's not the topic of the video. Why I'm telling you all of this is because I won't be focusing on my face in today's video, because there are certain products which are approved by my dermat and I'm gonna be using only those products. So there is no point in me showing you fake DIYs and fake things that I won't be actually doing. In today's video, I'm gonna be focusing on my body and my hair. So even if the lockdown is kind of lifted and everything is going back to normal, I still don't have the courage to go to a spa salon and get myself like a full body massage and stuff. So my favorite method of hair removal is shaving. I have been shaving for almost like 4 to 5 years or more than that now, and before shaving there are two things that you need to take care of, and that is toning your body and scrubbing your body, and of course moisturization afterwards. And for that I'm gonna be using Caffeine's body toning and polishing kit. Let's talk about the oil first. So as you guys can see in the clip, I am using this oil to kind of tone my body. It smells so divine. If you are a coffee lover, you're gonna love the scent of this. It has pure Arabica coffee. I am gonna massage my hands and my legs with this oil. It's a super gentle and not very oily or sticky kind of an oil, and it just revives your skin. This body oil helps in cellulite reduction if that's something that you deal with, and it also helps to reduce stretch marks. I feel everyone has thoda bahut stretch marks on their thighs. The key ingredients of this oil is vitamin E, which is gonna recover your skin from sun damage. Tell me how many of us actually put like a sunscreen on our body. We generally don't do that, which is very wrong, by the way. So vitamin E is gonna help you in that. Second, it has rosehip oil, which is gonna relieve your stretch marks issue. And the third star ingredient is sweet almond oil, which is again gonna moisturize and soothe your skin. I massaged my body for around 10 minutes, and trust me you guys, the experience was so soothing and calming. My body was actually thanking me, because a lot of the times now we always focus on what face wash we want and it shouldn't be very harsh on our skin, but we don't really care about the soaps or the body washes that we use. We don't really put sunscreen on our body. We don't really moisturize our body that well. So this oil is like an all-in-one thing because it takes care of all those concerns. It's just for 445 rupees and you get a huge amount. It's a glass bottle. The packaging is top notch. It's a pump packaging. Of course, I love pump packaging. Moving on to the second step, which is scrubbing your body. I must have gone through so many tubs of this. I genuinely love this product. Even if you don't shave, you need to have like a body scrub in your vanity, and this is how the bottle looks like. And you guys can see I have already used quite a bit. It comes with a wooden spoon. Again, this is a glass bottle. So after 10 minutes the oil was completely soaked in my body, and I just wet my skin and used the scrub all over my body. The noise it makes, like it's ASMR. Trust me, it just feels so good when you are scrubbing that product on your body. It will take care of all of your ingrown issue. So this scrub gently exfoliates your skin, takes care of the dead skin issue. It also takes care of the tan, and the coconut oil nourishes your body at the same time. This product has my heart, you guys. I'm not faking it. Trust me on that. If there is one product which I would recommend to everyone, if someone asks me that, Mansi, one product from Caffeine, it has to be this. You get so much of a quantity in this. I mean, this lasts you forever. Trust me on that. Of course, after these two steps, I went in the bathroom. I just washed that scrub off, and then I'm using a soap. You can use whichever body wash or soap that you have, and then then start shaving. And yeah, I'm just shaving my hands, my legs. I also shave my underarms. Also, I would like to tell you guys that M Caffeine is India's first personal care brand, and all their products are dermatologically tested and clinically approved and PETA certified. All their products are SLS and paraben free, and what I love the most is that these products are gender neutral, so anyone and everyone can use this. So in winters we all suffer from dandruff or rough hair, and since I've colored my hair recently, I have to take care of them even more. So if you guys want me to make like a video on my detailed hair care routine, which has kind of changed, then let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do that. But oiling my hair has always been an essential part of my hair care routine, colored or not colored. So that's what I did. I used coconut oil in which I mixed lavender essential oil. Now lavender oil is meant for, you know, taking care of the dandruff. So if you are someone who's dealing with itchy scalp or dandruff, go ahead and use tea tree oil or lavender oil, whichever you have. I put like 3-4 drops in that, started massaging on my head. You can use a dropper to give like that proper treatment kind of a feel, so that the oil is kind of, you know, focused on your roots and just not lost in your strands. I shaved my body first and then oiled my hair and then went for a shower. I'll tell you why. Is because when you are you know, having oil on your hair and then you go and take a bath and take a hot shower, follicles on your head kind of open up and, you know, absorb the product. Well, it's like taking steam. And I wash my hair the next day, but that's just something I like to do. You can keep the oil on your head for around say 2 hours and then wash it off. After you come out of the shower, the first thing you need to do is moisturize your body. Now, second favorite product is this. Now honestly guys, I expected this body lotion to smell like coffee, how the scrub and the oil smells, but this smells so different and so divine. If you know me, you know I love men's cologne, and this smells like that. It smells divine. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. It is very, very lightweight. It is not gonna make your skin look greasy or oily. It's not gonna give that feel, but at the same time it's gonna moisturize your body. So this gel body lotion has shea butter, which is gonna moisturize and soothe your skin. It also has caffeine, which is gonna reduce puffiness, and it's gonna even tone your body. It has white water lily and also vitamin E, which makes your skin supple and soft, and my skin feels so soft. I wish you guys could touch my skin right now. It is so soft right now, like baby's butt. Trust me on that. All these products are something that I would highly recommend, and I'm not saying it just for the sake of it. I genuinely love these products. If you trust me, you will buy it and you will see why I'm hyping these products so much. I'll be leaving the links of all of these products in the description box below. Let's move on to the next step, which is shaving your face. Now I do my skincare first and then only go in with the razor. One thing that I learned from Ridhil Sharma is that you need to use some kind of a moisturizer or aloe vera gel before you use a razor on your face. I used to first powder my face and then go in with the razor, but that sometimes used to give me kind of bumps and whiteheads on my face. Since I started using aloe vera gel, that's not happening, and it also is giving me a clean shave and a, you know, smoother shave. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put aloe vera gel on my eyebrows, shave them according to my need. Also, I did the same for my side locks. Now that's something that is your choice. It's not compulsory. It's just that I like to clean that area, because whenever I put foundation, it just looks smoother. Otherwise, when you put foundation on hair, it just looks very weird and it looks as if it's lifting up. So that's something I like to do. Upper lips मैंने किया नहीं because था नहीं कुछ growth, so I did not do that. Last but not the least, do not forget to paint your toenails. A lot of us always forget that. Don't forget to do that. And yeah, that was the last step of our body spa at home. It's very, very easy. It might look tedious, but it is not. It just takes like an hour to do this, and you can take out 1 hour from your busy schedule for yourself. Do this pamper session at least like twice a month. It is gonna just make you feel so rejuvenated. Trust me, and I'll be leaving the links of all of the products in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.